This is how I built this.
All right, so we got some scrap wood right here. We got some 80 grit sandpaper here on the belt sander. So we're gonna go ahead and sand this down and then make this up into the sign. Now we're gonna hand sand some 180 grit sandpaper. Here we go. All right, so here's the cool part. We are going to laser it. Yeah. So this is a little design I got right here. So here we go. It's time for Mineral Spirit Sign! Yeah! So, the good thing about mineral spirits is that it helps prep projects for any sort of stain that you're going to put on them, and it gets all the sawdust off your project, wipes it all off. Alright, so I started looking at cognac and it was kind of dark for putting this on, so we're going to go ahead and use Gunstock stain. Yeah! Alright, so this is a very effective stain. So you know what that means. Jacket's coming off, gloves are on the hands. This is gonna stain everything if it gets on anything, so let's hope it doesn't get on anything. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and let that dry for about an hour. And then we're gonna wipe it off. Alright, this is looking pretty. Oh man. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and toss a clear coat on, and then we are done. Yeah. Alright, now it's time to put on some clear polyurethane. This will just go ahead and protect it and seal it all up. So here we go.